अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसे राइटिंग इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्पोर्ट्स refers to an activity involving physical activity and skill. Here two or more parties compete against each other. Sports are an integral part of human life and there is great importance of sports in all spheres of life. Furthermore, sports help build the character and personality of a person. It certainly is an excellent tool to keep the body physically fit. Most noteworthy, the benefits of sports are so many that books can be written. Sports have a massive positive effect on both the mind and the body. Physical benefits of sports. First of all, sports strengthen the heart. Regular sports certainly make the heart stronger. Hence, sports is an excellent preventive measure against heart diseases. This certainly increases the life expectancy of individuals. Furthermore, a healthy heart means healthy blood pressure. Sports involve physical activity of the body. Due to this physical activity, blood vessels remain clean. Sports reduces the amount of cholesterol and fats in the body. Sports bring discipline in life. It certainly teaches the values of dedication and patience. Sports also teach people how to handle failure. Furthermore, the importance of following a schedule is also present in sports. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.